healthy basmati brown rice recipe in your rice cooker is here. What a beautiful healthy dish is this. My name is Mair. You're watching mairbornhungry YouTube channel, guys. Our aroma rice cooker is right here. It's a straightforward recipe, guys. This is our rice cooker. I'm gonna share very easy delicious way. Okay, I'm adding vegetable oil, at least 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. These are our brown basmati rice, guys. All right, so 1 whole baking cup. Let me give you a whole complete measure of this whole recipe. 1 baking cup of brown rice. We just land it right here. The next thing, I have some diced frozen veggies. I'll take 1 whole baking cup of it. Very easy, delicious. Everybody can make this recipe, and we will just land it right here on the side. I'll slice fresh white onion. You can use red onion, half of it. Just roughly dice it. Diced onion. Wow, man. You take it and just land it right here on the side. Three cloves of fresh garlic. Just roughly smash it or dice it or chop it. So here you go, diced fresh garlic. It's all vegetarian healthy recipe. I'll just put it right here on the side. Half baking cup of dried cranberries. I'll just land it right here. It's gonna give a sweet flavor to it. This is ground allspice. What we have to do, I'll add half tablespoon right in the middle. Table salt, half tablespoon. I have a lime, just cut it from the center, and we need just 1 thin slice of a lime in here. Just land it right here. So once you add all these ingredients, take the same baking cup, guys. This is 1 water cup. This is 2 water cups. And this is 3. So easy. Take a look here, 1 cup. So we measured the whole recipe with this baking cup. What we have to do next, very easy, very simple. Close this down. Aroma rice cooker. Put your aroma rice cooker, right now it's on the warm, put it on to cook. Alright guys, the best part, forget about these rice for at least 35 to 40 minutes. The aroma rice cooker gonna tell us when the rice is ready. I'll see you after 35 to 40 minutes. It's been exactly 45 minutes in our aroma rice cooker. If you guys are making this recipe in your pot, in your pan, it's gonna be the same timing, same ingredients. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box. No further waiting. Let's get in there, guys. This is the first time I'm opening this after 45 minutes. OMG, look at this, man. It's wonderfully done. Let's give it a stir. Wow, it makes life so easy. The aromas, the vegetables, OMG. The lime kick to it, yeah, man. Allspice, salt, cranberries, onions, garlic. So beautiful looking dish is this. Look at this, yummy. So here it is. Let's dish this out. I'll put some cilantro, brown basmati rice right here. Yum. Yes sir, if you're a vegetarian, do try this recipe. It's delicious, I can tell you that. I have made this recipe so many times. Here you go. Does it look yummy? Yes sir, it is. So easy to cook in your rice cooker. Yummy. Very good. Very easy, quick recipe. Anyone can make this recipe in their rice cookers. And here it is, guys. Perfectly, deliciously done. let's take a look here. Brown basmati rice, a vegetarian delicious recipe. Who don't like this recipe? It's all healthy, it's all clean, it's all one pot, one pan. Or if you want to cook in your rice cooker. I have cooked this recipe in a rice cooker, which makes the work so easy. The cranberries, OMG, my mouth is getting watery. First, steamy bite. All healthy. Yummy, man. You'll be surprised by making this recipe. Do try this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Check out other videos on the channel. You'll be amazed by the recipes we share with you guys. Anyway, thank you so much. Bye bye for now.